Temperatures through our weekend improved from a sub-zero to begin the weekend all the way up into the 30s and melting snow, even some 40s out west today in the capital city. Quiet conditions right now, not so quiet though as we go through your Tuesday night. That's a first alert weather day beginning. It lasts into Wednesday as wind and snow will impact some, not all of our counties. Let's take a look at that and I want to highlight this. You can always stay up to date with the very latest on the Valley News Live weather app. Search VNL Weather in your app store today. There you will find updated videos on your forecast. Also, closures, delays, road conditions right on your phone. You can also upload photos of things like, well, how much snow you got, which really does help us out. We appreciate all of you for sharing your photos and your reports of weather in your area. Tonight, quiet conditions, clear skies for the viewing of that northern lights that we've already gotten pictures up from northwest Minnesota as far south as Ada, so I wouldn't be surprised if we see those here tonight yet. Overnight temperatures sneak down to near 10 degrees, and that's how we start your Tuesday. Most of Tuesday real quiet. First alert weather day conditions begin late. Now, even for the drive home, we'll have snow just beginning in the James River Valley, the Cheyenne River Valley. So not a lot of impact for that evening commute. But as we head towards 10 o'clock, you'll want to be where you're going to be in our southern counties. Up north, no inclement conditions other than some cooler weather. Dark blues here indicative of some bands of heavier snow. See all the arrows? This does come with some wind overnight, so I do believe there'll be reduced visibilities. This snow is not going to be that fluffy powder that blows everywhere. This will be a little bit thicker, good for making snowballs and snowmen, but still blowing snow and some drifting. Now, as we head towards daybreak, notice that the snow showers extend all the way through our southern half. This includes lakes counties as well. So Highway 200 and points north, not much of a system at all. But south of there, we'll have some accumulations, some reduced visibilities, and some tricky wintry travel, particularly for the Wednesday morning commute, even into your Wednesday afternoon commute for some before it clears out of here with some cold, gusty north winds chilling things out. Now, we're going to see Highway 200 as that cutoff. Sharply increasing amounts along Interstate 94 of 1 to 3 inches. As you get into the James River Valley, the prolonged snowfall, 3 to 5+ inches, all the way winding down through places like Lisbon and into Richland County. Some 4 to 7+ inches. That'll be Bismarck, the big winners so far this season for snow, all the way down in towards Gwinner, Ellendale, Oaks, Edgeley, Lemoore. We'll keep our eyes on that for you. It's just now getting started out on the west coast. For us, clear skies shown on the satellite for viewing of those northern lights, and the coolest weather up in the Devil's Lake Basin where we have teens right now. Elsewhere, mostly 20s to near 30 degrees. Look at the sharp fall off here in Fergus Falls. It's like the refrigerator of Lakes Country right now. Somewhat reduced visibility, some haze out in the Oaks area, limiting the visibility just a bit. And at Hector, it's 22 degrees with a 9-mile-per-hour wind. All in all, not bad to get out and view those northern lights. Planning forecast, near 10 to start, will warm up into the mid-20s, so a cooler day. The snow chances here in Fargo, I really don't think we have to worry about it until we get closer to the late night hours, after 10 o'clock here. And then the accumulation could add up in the FM area as we go into Wednesday morning. Certainly not out of the question to see that forecast say 1 to 3+ inches of snow. It will be colder and breezy on your Wednesday with the system finally exiting. The coldest Thursday morning, back down to below zero. But then the rebound takes place. I like rebounds when it comes to temperatures like that. Another chance of some snow into the beginning of next work week as well, with teens and 20s into the upcoming work week after that.
Looking much better than it's been.
Yes, yeah, it's nice to see some melting snow.
Just a couple hiccups first.
Thanks, Rich.